Come in.
Good day, my lady.
Good afternoon, Leo. Now what you want?
My lady, Chief asked me to get a bag that has a file of O'Neill's urgent settlement on it. He says you check the last drawer.
The bag that has files? Oh, is there?
Oh. Thank you so much, my lady. I will just run along.
Hold on, Leo. Hey. Come. Come here. Come on. Very cute, man.
My lady, don't you think you're crossing the line?
Say so. I like you a whole lot. I really do.
Oh, my lady, why would you like me?
Leo, I want you to become my lover. Hey, don't go away.
You can't possibly do this, my lady.
Why not? I know it will hit you as a shock. Leo, you don't want to know what I go through in my marriage, do you? I know all the ladies want to become like Lady Baby. Some are even using me as a point. That's because they don't know what I go through in this whole thing called marriage. But Leo, you and I know too well that my husband is always traveling on a business trip, leaving me all by myself. And my pillow has become my companion. I don't want that anymore, I want you. Come
on. Hello, Mr. Wilson. Oh no, there is no need for a check. I already sent my personal assistant to the house to get those files for you. Oh, okay. Yes, I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I appreciate it. All right.
Chief is not satisfying me.
Yet, you had children for him.
You will not understand. I want the real thing.
My lady, I understand your plight. Seriously, I do. But I will not do what is dishonorable. I just got married newly, and the last thing that I will do is to cheat on my wife with you.
I'll make you an offer.
Which is?
$500,000 if you agree to sleep with me now.
$500,000 for me to cheat on my wife with you?
1 million.
Even with 10 million naira, I'm not going to do it. I can't do it. My lady, please, I beg to take my leave. I have things to do in the office.
If you step out of that door, Leo, I will frame you up with rape. Not just that. I will make sure my husband fires you and have you locked up in jail for the rest of your life.
Is this supposed to be a threat?
Why don't you figure it out yourself?
Is she not supposed to be a lady of Knight of St. Augustine? What does she mean by framing me up with rape? Is she really going to do that? I knew what it took me to secure this job, and now I'm about to lose it because I refuse to sleep with my boss's wife. What do I call this now? This is temptation. But seriously, I cannot wrap my head on why it must be me. This is serious threat. What do I do now?
Babe? Babe? Babe!
You said?
Babe, I've been calling your name. You're not saying anything. Is something bothering you?
Should I tell her? No. I don't think it is wise to do so. I just want to give her a sense of belonging.
Babe, there is something eating deep in you. Are you sure you don't want to talk about it?
Baby, I told you earlier that I'm fine. You don't have to worry about anything. I'm good.
Then let me serve your food.
Babe, I'm not hungry. I'll eat later, but at least not now.
Honey, what do you mean you're not hungry? You said everything is fine, right? Let me serve your food. I'm serving your food, don't be stubborn.
Hello, Leo. Pick your call. Come on.
Oh, Chief is not an important call.
Are you sure?
Yes, Chief, the call is not important.
So how do you know which is important and not? Listen to me. It's not good to ignore calls because someone who is trying to communicate with you might be in some sort of in a tight corner or in danger. You never can say.
Alright, sir.
Quite excused.
Yes. What is it now? Do you want to put us into trouble?
I just got it now. I need you to come around.
Can you even hear yourself speak? You forgot that these working hours and they want me to come around.
You better look for something to tell Chief.
What? I should lie to Chief because I want to come and be with you.
Yes. He doesn't know I'm the one calling you, right?
Yes.
Tell him it was your wife that called you, that she's not feeling too well and needs your attention now. Maybe for you to drive her to the hospital or something.
Is there anything wrong with you? You want me to lie with my wife's health? Why would I want to do that?
Alright, if you can lie with your wife's health, look for something to tell him.
Listen, I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it.
I need to see you right here and now.
Deborah, what is wrong with you? I can see that you have reduced me to each good, right?
I want to make love. You just have to find your way here.
Listen to me. I'm not going to oblige to what you're saying. I'm not coming.
I need my whole body to be set on fire.
What's that?
I'll have to chew this for a fast action. I don't want to wait all day for it to start working. By the time my sugar boy will get here, I will be very ready to devour him. My sex enhancement tablets have been the one doing the magic. I get to enjoy sex all the time, even at my age. Leo has the sweetest thing dangling in between his thighs. He is such a woman killer in bed, no cap.
What happened? What is your face like this?
Chief, I just got a distress call from home.
I hope all is well.
Oh, it's my wife. She just called to inform me that she fell in the bathroom.
What? How serious is that?
I wouldn't know how serious it is until I get home.
Oh, well, quickly drive down home to see your wife as fast as possible. You see why it's not good to any more calls, I told you.
Alright, Chief, as soon as I'm done.
No, it is serious. Drive home to see how your wife is doing. Okay?
Alright, I'll be on my way there.
Okay. Sorry. Hello, Mr. Wood. Oh, good to have you here. Yes, I'm trying to clean up the backlog.
This is a sex enhancement tablet. Have you been taking this?
Of course. I take it to boost my sexual urge.
Oh, I guess this has been the secret behind you always being wet and while doing love making. Always making you wanting more and not having enough of me.
Of course. Since you men take it, why can't we? Let's go to bed, sweetheart.
Not until I see that lot.
Come on, that's not an issue. As long as you keep scratching my back, why not? I will always credit your account. It's not an issue, like I said earlier. Come. Let's go, baby.
Baby, you're so sweet. You are sweet as honey.
And you are sweeter.
Man, I feel good.
No, just ignore the call, please. I want more.
That's my wife.
It doesn't matter. Come on.
Hi, babe.
Hey, babe. Hi. How's work?
Work is fine.
Babe, what's that? I heard the voice of a woman mourning in pleasure. Babe, what are you doing?
It's nothing. It probably is television. I'm the office working with my chairman.
Look, I know what I heard. Are you cheating on me? Then what is that mourning for? I'm going to the mall. So I called for the transfer.
Okay, I'll just do it in a couple of minutes. Okay? What's that? You saw that I was on a call with my wife and your mom. She heard you.
I'm sorry, but she caught us in the middle of something.
It doesn't really matter. She's my wife.
I need you now. I want more. It don't matter, sweetheart. Come here.
Hi, beautiful.
Who's the girl you were with earlier today?
Babe, I thought you were true.
Answer me!
Baby, stop now.
Stop what? I need to know the truth. Who did you sleep with today?
Nobody.
Liar. You must think I'm daft, right? I've been noticing something on your boxes every day.
Babe, what are you talking about?
The thick, sticky wetness on your boxes every day. What is it all about?
Babe, what are you even saying? Why this irrational behavior? Wait a minute, are you trying to accuse me of cheating on you with another woman?
Leo, your underpants is wet and sticky every time you change them. I'm going to ask you for the last time. Are you cheating on me?
Babe, listen, this is not what I expect from you as my wife. I expect that when I come back from work, you come and hug me, kiss me on the forehead, and ask me how was work. And not you interrogating me in my own house. Doesn't even make any sense to you.
You know, you might think I'm a piece of furniture that you purchased for the decoration of your house. Every day, you leave this house every morning and come back in the evening, most times late at night. And you come here giving me a flimsy excuse.
My darling wife, you see, when a relationship begins to lack trust, the end is closer, and I don't want that to be our situation. I have nothing to tell you about this. From the depth of my heart, I'm sorry. I did not mean to hurt you. Can I at least have a hug? I'm still your husband. No? I'm sorry. Hi. I'm sorry.
Baby, that reminds me. Your PA didn't come back with you. Does it mean he left after work?
Well, he got a call from his wife that she slipped from the bathroom.
Ah, so sorry. I hope she didn't sustain any injury.
I wouldn't know.
Wow. You know how slippery ties can be.
Well,
Too bad.
I tend to find out what transpires actually. When I get to the office tomorrow night before I finally travel.
Yeah, your PA is such a hardworking young man. Believe me.
You alright?
Mm-hmm. Who else? He's so hardworking. He knows what he does. I mean, unlike the other former PA. That one is just nonsense. I'm sorry to say that, but
No.
he's just a lazy dude.
Yeah. Austin was a goofer. Everyone knows that.
So lazy. Looking for one excuse to give or the other. I'm just wondering how his sexual life will be. To tell you the gospel truth, he won't be very good.
Excuse me? How does Austin's sexual life affect him?
No. Oh. Sorry. You know, I was just thinking aloud. Sorry. Vio, I'm talking to you.
Vio! Are you rejecting my food?
Yes, Quincy. You looked me in the face and you accused me of infidelity and you want me to eat your food. How does that even work?
Just because I voiced out my observation? Is that why you don't want to eat my food tonight? Really?
Wait, are you yelling at me? I don't blame you anyways. Each time you ask me of money, I credit your account with a huge amount of money. So you stand here and say rubbish to my face.
Well, it's your responsibility to take care of me. So stop acting like you're helping my life. It's fine if you don't want to eat.
Deborah.
Chief, come on. Please, just let me sleep.
I've noticed lately that you've been avoiding me. Why?
Chief Zukwanike.
What do you mean?
Zuike, rest in Jesus' name. Ha!
What do you mean I should rest in Jesus' name? How? Are you not my wife?
Aren't you way too old for this?
Deborah, what's the meaning of this? Why are you ranging me from the time I'm supposed to come to you as a husband and when I'm not supposed? Why? You are my wife. You are not supposed to deny me of my conjugal right. What's this force all about?
I just feel you should leave this for young blood and not.
So what did I marry you for? You should check the day I will be old and when I will be young to enjoy my wife? Is that it? Because I'm old, I shouldn't enjoy my wife.
Oh yeah. Just come and do, I beg, let me rest.
With that face.
What do you want? I said come and do, let me rest, and you're saying with that face. What do you mean by you see the reason I said you're
She's a boss lady. Whatever she wants, she's gonna get it. She's the boss lady. She'll never stop until she has her way. She's the boss lady.
You're welcome. I heard your wife fell in the bathroom.
Yes.
So how is she?
She's pretty good. It's just a minor injury.
I hope she's good. For real?
Yes, Chief. She's fine now. Chief, are you traveling?
Oh, yes. I have a business meeting scheduled to go by 10 a.m. with our foreign investors tomorrow.
I have no idea, sir.
Oh, yes. You already gone when Mr. Wood called that I should be in Abuja this morning, so I have to.
Okay, in that case, I should go with you then.
Well, you have to go home, stay with your wife. I will handle everything.
Chief, I know, but I can still go with you.
I insist. So I have to run along.
Okay, so put his luggage in the car, okay?
I'll go, my lady.
Right.
Yes, baby. I miss you too.
All right. Do make a call, right, to remind me of the thing you said I should buy.
Of course I will.
I may forget my head.
You will not. I miss you.
She's the boss lady. Her body's on fire. Her burning desire is unquenchable. Her eyes like fire, ready to devour. She is a lady on a mission. She's gonna get whatever that she wants. She is beautiful.
Chief, I've been meaning to ask you, how long are you staying?
Well, I'm not too sure, but I will be gone for 1 week.
1 week. Chief, I mean, I should go with you. This is more reason why I love my job because it takes me around.
This shouldn't take you away from your wife. I mean, this is the time she needs you most. Both of you are married for 2 years, and don't you need a baby?
They are yet to come, Chief.
They are yet to come. Is it that you are not doing it any better?
Chief, we are trying.
Then try. Wow. Your trying is not good enough. Do everything you can to defeat barrenness. Oh, is there some kind of distractors? You know you are handsome, good looking, and I know some girls will be distracting you.
Chief, I love my wife Quincy so much and I wouldn't want to cheat on her.
Then do something. Both of you are married for 2 years, and don't you need a baby?
They are yet to come, Chief.
They are yet to come. Is it that you are not doing it any better?
Chief, we are trying.
Then try. Wow. Your trying is not good enough. Do everything you can to defeat barrenness. Oh, is there some kind of distractors? You know you are handsome, good looking, and I know some girls will be distracting you.
Come in. Just come in.
Hey, what took you so long? I've been waiting. I can see he's already busting out from your trousers.
You're the most beautiful lady I've ever seen in my entire life.
I know. Come with me. I can't wait to show you my new stuff.
She's gonna get whatever that she wants. She's beautiful. Any man will.
Let me help you.
No.
Now what's the matter?
I want money.
Money? Why? Why will you always bring up money issue whenever we are trying to make out? Why?
Because whatever we're doing is on contract. You contracted me to be servicing you. Remember?
Is that how you see it? I thought you were my sugar boy.
No. I'm not your sugar boy. I am your gigolo. Have you forgotten that I have a wife? I'm married.
A wife? A wife that cannot even get pregnant. Look who's talking about wife.
Hey, you should watch your tongue.
Or what? But that's the truth. For 2 years now, you have nothing to show for it. No child. So?
Really? That's the height of it. Oh, it's fine.
Where do you think you're going? Come on.
I would not sit here with you and watch you insult my wife right in my presence. What's that supposed to mean?
Did I say anything wrong?
The question is, what is it that you haven't said wrong?
If you step out, I will tell Chief all you've been doing with me, guess what? You will kiss your job goodbye. I will not stop at that. I will also go to your so-called wife, Quincy, and I will tell her everything. Tell her that you are my bedmate. You will also lose your marriage. How is it going to be like? Are you in or out?
Open this thing, let's have fun.
Good boy. Take off your shirt, let me see your magic first. I need to feel it. Oh, just get out. Allow me help you.
Quincy. Sis? What's going on? It's your 2 years in marriage. Why hasn't your husband bloated your tummy yet? Are you both not doing the do? Are you just sitting and looking at each other?
If I tell you I have answers to your question, then I'm a big liar.
That means you will do it, just that it hasn't entered.
The truth is I don't understand Leo anymore. The same Leo I left my Oliver for and got married to has changed completely.
Does he cheat?
I think so.
You think so?
No, I know so. Because how do you explain this? Leo comes back every day with wet and sticky underpants.
No. I don't get it. I'm kind of confused. What exactly do you mean?
I mean, his pants down there are always wet and sticky with his semen.
Like his pants are always gummy.
My point exactly.
That explains it all. He's cheating.
Exactly.
But the big question now is, with whom?
I'll definitely find out. I also found out that these days he doesn't allow me ask for money twice. Each time I ask Leo for money, he sends it ASAP. And he even doubles what I ask for.
This is serious. Maybe it's his secret lover that is sponsoring his lifestyle, sending him money. Maybe that's why he's acting this way.
But how can I be sharing my husband with a random girl out there? How? Look, sis, I need children. Leo comes back home saying he's tired and stressed out. Last night he didn't touch my food.
Why?
Because I confronted him.
Alright, let me go get you dinner. I know you're tired now.
True.
Is that your wife?
Not like you care.
And what is that supposed to mean?
You kept me here by this time of the night. I'm supposed to be with my wife. I'm a married man. You kept me against my wish. Do you expect me to be happy?
See what you're going to do. Pick up the phone. Tell your wife you're returning
tomorrow morning.
You say?
Of course. I am not releasing you till tomorrow morning. And that's it.
I don't get it. What's your plan? Are you trying to destroy my marriage while you keep yours? Is that what you're trying to do?
Which marriage are we even talking about here, if I may ask? The one that has no fruit, nothing to show for it, no child, for 2 solid years. And I'm just beginning to wonder, is it that your thing functions well on another man's wife? I mean, it doesn't function well on your wife that is young.
I will not be here and listen to this rubbish. I'm out of here. Stop me if you can.
Oh, really? Go on. Let me call your wife. Of course, I will call her and let her know what we have been doing.
No. Wait.
Why am I losing you? Why are you walking away from me day after day? I cry day and night. Hope you come to me, dry my tears and make me smile. The way you look at me shows me that you're no longer here. You keep lying to me.
So, when are you bringing him home?
Bringing who home?
The guy you're seeing, when you think I don't know.
Sis, I'm not seeing any guy aside Oliver, and that's the truth.
Oliver. Wait a minute. No way. Don't tell me it's the same Oliver that left you and traveled to America without bothering to come back and settle down with you. Ha! They play.
Sis, what do you mean by that?
What I mean is, Oliver has moved on. Probably with a white woman. So I wonder why you're still bothering yourself.
Sis, Oliver promised me forever. He will come back for me. He will definitely come back.
Quincy, why are you like this? No, why are you doing this to yourself when it's clear that he's not coming back for you? Yes. Don't tell me you want to keep this whole beauty for some guy that is in America that you don't even know when he's coming back.
How can I date any other person aside Oliver?
No, you're not being serious. No, you are my sister. You are not being serious. No. This is a lie. No, Quincy, I know you. Like, you are my sister. You are very beautiful, the most beautiful of them all. And you just want to waste the beauty waiting for someone.
No.
You're lying.
Sis, I am not lying. Look, I am not saying I do not have men crushing on me. They do, they come to me. But I am not seeing any of them. But there is this particular guy. He calls himself Secret Admirer. He keeps sending me flowers, packages, gifts, and he hasn't revealed himself.
Did you say Secret Admirer?
Exactly. I don't even know who this person is.
That means you don't even know what he looks like.
I don't. Well,
Okay, I have a package for you.
another package.
Same person. Right. Sign here.
This is crazy. Alright, thank you.
Be on my way now.
Alright, thank you. So you see what I'm talking about? This is another package.
And there's a letter inside. Let's see.
Hi.
Hi.
Oh, my name is Rona. But you can call me Leo. I'm your secret admirer.
You? So it's been you all along?
Yes, it's me, beautiful Quincy.
Wait, how did you know my name?
I know 3 quarters of you. I mean, I followed you on Facebook.
Facebook?
Yes.
How?
Well, I am the guy that sent you a friend request that took you almost a year for you to accept.
Well, I don't easily accept friend requests of someone I do not know. But I remember this particular guy, Leo Fine.
Well, this young man standing before you is Leo Fine. The guy that you finally accepted his friend's request, and he was on your DM trying to woo you, but you blocked him.
That's because you were choking me with love emojis. I had to block you.
Well, looking at you, you do not look different. You look extremely beautiful, just the way you look on Facebook.
Thank you. You don't look bad yourself too. Oh, please, my bad. Meet my elder sister, Perpetua. Perpetua, the secret admirer.
Oh,
Nice to meet you, Peps.
pleasure is mine.
I must say that beauty runs in your home. Your other sister looks good as well.
I know. Thank you. Oh, please, let's go in so I could offer you something.
That won't be necessary. So why don't we step out and go have lunch together? I mean, the whole of us.
Oh. No. I'll stay. Both of you should go.
Are you sure you don't want to be part of us?
It'll be fine.
Alright, just give me a few minutes. Let me just get my things ready. Why are you so excited? Yeah.
He's a nice person, right?
Well, I'm just a bit skeptical about handsome guys.
Why?
What do you mean why? They are every lady's man. I don't have the strength to drag my man with any woman.
Oh, no. She doesn't look like a bad person to me.
Well, you can't know that by mere looks. That guy is too handsome, and that's one of the reasons I blocked him.
Yet he found you. Right?
Sis, come on. I have a fragile heart. And have you forgotten I have a fiancé that lives abroad?
Oh, please, stop it. Oliver. Sis, my instinct tells me that Leo is a different person.
Same way you endorsed Oliver, your friend and classmate. Sis, you know I can't cheat on my man. I can't even think of it.
Look at you. No, look at you. Sit down here and keep behaving this way. I have good news for you. Oliver has moved on. He has dumped you. If you don't know, let me tell you now. Probably with some older woman that has money.
No, I disagree. We communicate every day. We do video calls.
So why is he not here? Yeah, if he loves you that much, why is he not here to marry you? Or he wants you to grow wrinkles before he will come and marry you?
Since I can't do this. I can't. Please.
Quincy, you know I love you, right? You need to give love a chance.
My pretty Thompson. The envy of all the women in this world. The gorgeous of them all. How are you?
I'm alright.
Right. You know that I love you so much.
I love you even more.
I mean, this world is meaningless without you by my side. My forever best.
And you know my whole world revolves around you. My world best.
You are the one for me. The one that I love so much. The one that I would want to spend the rest of my life with. Whom my heart has come to cherish and adore so much. So I'm going to ask you to please walk this walk with me. Be part of me and make me a responsible man.
Ask me again like you mean it.
Okay, baby, I want you to please marry me and be the mother of my born kids.
Yes! Yes,
You say
I'll
yes?
marry you.
You marry me for real?
I'd love to, baby. And I'll be the mother of your beautiful kids.
Thank you so much. I love you so much.
I love you. Oh my goodness.
We're going to have baby.
Hey, who are you?
Babe, please, can you let me catch some sleep, bro? I'm tired.
Come on, dear. I want you to, please.
Are you sure you're normal?
What is that supposed to mean? Is there anything wrong with me demanding for sex from my lover?
Everything is wrong with you. Constant demanding for intimacy. Chief married the nymphomaniac without even knowing it.
Alright, I know my libido is high, but what can I do? I got married to an older man and before you came into the picture, I was using Dido to satisfy myself.
What? You masturbate?
Well, like I said earlier, it was before you came in, before we started dating.
Have you by any chance cheated on Chief before I came into the picture?
Hell no! Didn't you hear what I said? I used to satisfy myself with Dido. Not with anybody.
Try to make it make more sense to me. From what you're saying, you're trying to tell me that Chief doesn't sleep with you?
Well, I never said so. He does. But it's as good as nothing. He's way older than I am.
He doesn't even function properly.
If I'm to be honest with you, then I must tell you that you are extremely beautiful and you're sophisticated, elegant personified. What is the age disparity between you and Chief?
Thanks for the compliment first.
You're welcome.
Chief is 19 years older than I am.
Oh.
So you see, I need a fresh blood. Hey, I'll make you happy now. Check your phone. I just sent you the sum of 1 million naira.
You don't need to check my phone, I chose to do. You are the best. You're everything and more that I ever wanted. So sweet.
Now come here.
Okay.
Come here.
Baby, please open the door.
I am not opening the door. Go back to where you're coming from.
Locking me outside is not the best thing to do. I need to prepare for work.
Go away! Just go! Leave! Go back to her!
Why am I losing you? Why are you walking away from me day after day? I cry day and night. Hope you come to me, dry my tears and make me smile. The way you look at me shows me that you're no longer here. You keep lying to my face. I don't know how to bring you back to me. You are slipping away from me. You are slipping away from me. You are walking away from me like the wave of the ocean. You are slipping away from me. You are slipping away from me. You are walking away from me like the wave of the ocean. I have been lonely all night.
I have been driving around cycle since I drove out of my compound. Where do I go from here? I can't even go back to Chief house. Else, Deborah will turn me into a sex worker the whole day. That woman is draining my life. Even as a mother of 5 grown-up children, she's hot. That woman is the sweetest I have ever had. The way she twerks, her waist each time she's on top of me drives me crazy. Deborah Bugomo. Her magical touch alone sends shivers running down my spine.
Sis, I'm tired. Look, I don't want to do this anymore. I want out.
No, you can't be saying that.
What would you have me do then?
You were wrong by not allowing him into his house.
I did what was right at that time. I was right in my anger. Leo left this house in the morning and came back the next day. Who does that?
You should have given him benefits of the doubt by hearing him out.
Well, I do not want to listen to lies that will come out of his mouth. I mean, I'm sick and tired of all this. Leo has completely changed. He's not the Leo you used to know. He now cheats.
I insist you hear him out.
Well, he has left. I guess back to where he has been all through the night.
I can't believe Leo is doing this. What changed? He used to be all over you. You were practically the only woman in his life.
I thought so too.
When he comes back, open the door for him and try to hear him out first. You never can tell.
I'll call you back.
Melvin, come on, I'm fine. Your mommy is doing very well. My darling, I hope you are staying out of trouble, you and your sisters.
I hope you're trying your best to stay out of trouble, you and your younger sisters. Of course. Sugar, you should know that you are our only son. We don't joke with you at all. Of course. And you know the reason we chose that you kids should study abroad. That's because we want the best for you children. That's nice. Oh, your daddy, yeah. He traveled to Abuja. No, he went for a business meeting. He'll be staying a week there. Why don't you call your daddy's line and find out how he's doing, naughty boy? It's alright. My regards to your sisters. Just say me well to them.
Hey, you came back.
Ooh. Leo.
I love this. So why did you change? You promised. You promised to love just me forever. You promised, Leo.
Hi, beautiful. How are you?
I'm fine. You're here.
Yes, I'm here. Actually, I was driving past your house, so I decided to stop and say hi to this gorgeous damsel.
You sure have your way with words. Your words alone can wake up a dead soul.
Are you trying to flatter me or something?
No, I'm not flattering. I'm saying the truth.
Okay. Happy birthday to you, baby.
Did you know I forgot it's my birthday? You remembered?
Yes.
That's so thoughtful. Hey, what did you get for me?
Why don't you check it out?
Wait, an iPhone?
Yes, baby.
Oh my god!
You like it?
I love it!
I'm glad you do.
Oh my god, this is so... Thank you. Thank you so much. You are such a sweet soul.
And you are sweet too. Princess, I want you to know that I really do love you so much. From the depth of my heart. And I'll do anything to make you happy.
I love you even more. And when you said that, I believed you. I believed you wholeheartedly.
Leo, why are you breaking my heart? Why are you doing what you're doing? I wish I knew who you were cheating on me with. I would have told her to leave my husband for me. They should leave you for me. If a soothsayer had told me that you would change, I wouldn't have believed. I wouldn't. It is not usually as it seemed from the very beginning. But Leo, you have completely changed. Why did you change so sudden? Your actions has broken me into 1,000 pieces. What is my crime? Why did I go wrong? What? What did I do? My only crime was loving you from the deepest part of my heart. Was taking my loving husband away from me. Was taking you away from me. Was taking you away from me. Leo. It took my strength away. God.
You know, lately I found out that I actually do love you so much. I mean, you're everything and more that I ever wanted in a woman. I mean, the sweet thing in between your tiles is something that I can't just have enough of. You're too sweet.
What are you saying, Leo? Are you saying I'm sweeter than Quincy?
Now you get the point. What I'm saying is yes. I mean, the thing in between your legs, the saccharine, it tastes really like honey.
This is amazing. Absolutely amazing. Wow. So was that the reason you came back?
Yes, because I couldn't have enough of you, and besides, I would like to have you from now to morning non-stop. Just you.
This is unbelievable. Leo is cheating on me with a sugar mommy. How? I mean, how is this even possible? Was that Chief Anthony's wife voice that I heard? No. No, it can't be. She's a lady of the night. Lady Deborah would not stoop so low to such a demeaning act with her husband's PA. She won't do that. Maybe it's another woman. Maybe it's another woman. But why? Why?
Why would Leo do this to me? Why would he choose a sugar mommy over me? What is with men and cheating? What? What do men really want? What do they really want? What do they really want? What do they really want? What do men really want? What do they want? What do they really want?
You mean he hasn't been home yet?
I have not seen him.
This is crazy. This is a show of irresponsibility on his side.
I have decided to go back to the family house. But I want Leo to look me in the face and tell me what I need to know. I need to know who he's been cheating on me with. I deserve to know.
Quincy, in as much as I don't like this whole thing, but going back to our family house would be a very bad idea. To trigger a whole lot of things.
Like what? Look sis, I don't care. Leo has lots of explanation to give to me. He does.
Leave me away.
Not until you tell me where you've been. Leo, I'm talking to you.
Quincy, what gave you the right to lock me outside my house?
I have the right to even do worse things to you, like empty a pot of hot oil all over you.
Really? Has it gotten to that? Is that your plan? You want to kill me now?
Where exactly are you coming from? Who did you sleep with?
I went to work and I didn't sleep with anybody.
Liar. Cheap white lies. Swear that you were not with another woman.
Baby, do you have any evidence to your claim?
Yes. I have evidence. I do.
What are you saying, Leo? Are you saying I'm sweeter than Quincy?
No, what's the point? What I'm saying.
Leo!
Yes.
No, I don't want to believe it. You've been cheating! My goodness.
Where did you get that from?
This is what you do every other day with strange women. Leo, I actually called you. I called you to apologize to you for locking you out. You picked. And you thought you already ended the call when I heard another woman call you baby. Leo, how shameless can you be? How shameless can you be? You know what? I've had it up to here. You say this sham called marriage? I am done! It's over! I've called Oliver. He's on his way here to pick me up. I am done with this marriage.
Leo, how shameless can you get? So you left your beautiful wife just to be with a sugar mommy? A woman old enough to be your mother. You disgust me.
The way you look at me shows me that you're no longer here. You keep lying to my face. I don't know how to bring you back to me. You are slipping away from me. You are slipping away from me.
How are you?
You are
How have you been?
I'm
fine.
Wow, good to see you. You know what? Come, let me please.
You are sleeping away from me. You were slipping away from me. You were walking away from me.
So, Princess, this is what you're up to, right? Huh?
Can you stop it? Stop it now!
Will you shut up! Princess, my wife, you want to leave our marriage of 2 years to be in the hands of another man. Does it even make any sense? I mean, this is not right.
Oh, really? Is that what you're saying? Leo, is that what you're saying? After everything you've done to me? After everything you have put me through? This is what you're saying! Have you forgotten you cheated on me? You chose a sugar mommy over me. So what right do you have to say that? This marriage has ended. What else do you want? Just leave me alone. It's over!
You don't know where baby.
Get your hands
just
off
let
me.
the lady be. Are you stupid or something? What gave you the God permission to walk into my compound? I want to take my wife away from me. Are you stupid?
Can you stop it?
Who are you?
What is wrong with you? How dare you lay your hands on him?
Oh, it's okay.
How dare you?
It's okay. Now, Leo, or whatever you're called, as you can see, I am not a violent man. So I'm clearly not going to get in the mud with you. You see, this first assault was free. But I tell you, if you launch at me again, I will deal so ruthlessly with you that you will regret the day you were. Are we clear? Are we clear? Is it me you're talking to? Of course I am talking to you.
Caused it. You're the cause of my predicament. To what you have put me into. You put me into this mess that I am now. I'm mixed up as a man. I just lost my beautiful wife. That before. That stupid boy. Now my whole life is just mixed up. I'm so empty. I have nothing new anymore. I'm left with nothing. No baby. No marriage. I've practically spoiled everything for myself. When you say please, anywhere you are, please come back to me. I'll kill myself. I can't imagine myself without you, Quincy. Quincy, I will die. Without you, I'm nothing. Please come back to me. Please come back to me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm empty without you, Quincy. Please. I will change. No. I'm left with nothing. My entire life is shattered. I just ended my own marriage with my own hands. No child. No marriage. I'm just useless.
We're here.
My goodness. Oh my God. Oliver! God! You have done so well for yourself. This is massive. Oh. Hey! Odogu! You are the man.
Sit down, please. Sit down.
Oh my God.
Sit down.
Thank you. This is beautiful.
Perpetua, tell me, when did you become a hype woman?
You're asking. Who would see all this and wouldn't turn to a hype woman overnight? Oliver, you have done so well for yourself and I'm proud of you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. So tell me, what should I offer you?
Offer, please. I need you to tell me. How come you were able to acquire all this in just your 6 years of being away in the United States of America?
Well, what more can I say? It's grace.
Huh? I love the sound of that. Grace! God in a man's race. Ooh.
Yeah. Quincy? Quincy?
Yeah.
Why are you startled? I get it. You think I might be mad at you for leaving me to marry someone else? No, I'm not really that mad. But why did you do it? Why?
It's me. Yes, blame me. It wasn't her fault. I made her do it and I'm sorry about it.
Perpetua? You? Why? Perpetua, you are my own person. I mean...
Oliver, I know and I am not proud of it. You told us 5 years. When we waited for 6 years, we didn't see you nor heard from you. Even when I got married, suitors were coming for her, but she rejected all that. She was practically waiting for you.
She was waiting for me. Quincy, you allowed that beast sweet-tongue you and made you trash all that we shared?
Oliver, please. Don't blame her. Please, I can't make her accept it. When we didn't hear from you and I told her to accept Leo when he came into the picture.
I can't believe that I lost my wife to that American returnee. I'm a very big fool. But she's a lovely wife. An angel here on earth. Yet I played her. Disappointed her. Let me just drink and die, because that's what fools do. I'm a fool! Yeah, you're a fool! Oh, Quincy, I'm sorry. Please come back to me.
This is unbelievable. Perpetua, do you even have the slightest idea of what I went through in the States when I heard Quincy was getting married to someone else? I died 1,000,000 times over.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. She said she's sorry. Perpetua, I traveled to the States because of Quincy. To give her a better life, to give her the best life possible. Didn't she even tell you that?
She told me. She told me everything. Just that her parents was on her neck to get married and give them grandchildren.
Oh. They were on your neck to get married and give them grandchildren. Now tell me, where are the grandchildren? Where are they? Was that enough justification for pushing your kid sister into the arms of a beast? That guy I saw? A guy who doesn't even value our beauty, who doesn't value our worth? This is unbelievable. A guy who was busy frolicking with a sugar mommy at the detriment of his marriage? A woman old enough to be his mother? That is the man you pushed your kid sister to.
Oliver, I am sorry. I am deeply sorry. I know that Quincy deserved better. Yes, I know she deserved better. I'm sorry, my friend. My own Oliver too is my old friend. How could I have forgotten the bond we shared as friends?
You threw all that away. Even after telling you when I was leaving this country that I would come back for your sister, that I would never hurt your sister, you still did this to me.
Oliver, I know all that. I know you met my sister through me. I know how you told me how well you meant for my sister and how you deserved her. It took me like the whole world for me to talk to her and make her accept to be with you. And when she decided to date you, the rest was history. I am sorry. I'm so sorry about it.
It's fine. It's fine. Do I even have a choice? I forgive you and I forgive Quincy from the innermost part of my heart. Quincy, can we start all over again?
Oliver, I don't deserve you. I've messed up.
Quincy. Life will be empty without you. Please, say yes to my proposal. Will you marry me?
Yes. Yes.
I love you, baby.
This is so beautiful.
Trust me, I will give you the best life I've got to offer. Come here.
His number is not connecting. Why? For 3 days now, I haven't seen or heard anything from Leo. From what I gathered so far, he has not been to work either. I don't know why his line is not connecting. The thought of him has beclouded my sense of reasoning. I can no longer think straight. All I want and desire is just to be in his arms. Should I fall back to my toy? No, Leo does it better. I miss him so much.
How can I look her in the face and tell her this? No. Now that I have her back in my life, how do I come to terms with the fact that I will soon leave her again?
Leave me to where?
Babe, you are awake.
Where are you going, leaving me behind? What is that? What? You have a kidney problem. How?
Unfortunately, yes. I developed the kidney problem when I was in the United States. And I did everything possible to get a donor, or to no avail.
I mean, how is this even possible? Babe, this cannot be your result. Don't accept it.
Unfortunately, it is my result. Don't you get it? Babe, I mean, one of my kidneys is damaged. The other is decaying. It's just a matter of time before both kidneys pack up.
No. Listen. I do not want to believe that that is your result. Okay? You will not die. You're going to be fine. Nothing is going to happen to you.
Babe, in as much as I appreciate your concern, I think it would be best if you forgive your husband and go back to him.
No, I am not going anywhere.
Except you want to become a widow at such a young age.
Listen, I am here. I am stuck with you. Okay? I am not going anywhere. You will not die. You're going to be fine, right? Nothing is going to happen to you. I need you to put your faith and trust in God. Okay, there is nothing God cannot do. Please, I do not want you to lose hope. I do not want you to give up. Everything is going to be fine, and I'm right here with you. Okay, because Jesus said it that by His stripes we are healed. He said we will not die, but we will live to declare the goodness of the Lord in the land of the living. So nothing will happen to you. Alright? God will restore you. He will restore you, my love. And I'm right here. I need you to believe. I need you to have faith in God that everything will be fine. Alright? I love you so.
What do I do? I mean, there has to be a way around this. I have to figure a way around this myself. Honestly, there has to be a way out. Yes, Gregory. I need to summon him at once. I'm losing it. Honestly, I'm going crazy. I just want to feel a man's warmth. Anyhow, yes. I don't have a choice, do I? Is this even right? My gatekeeper? No. What am I even saying? I can't condescend so low to the level of an ordinary gateman. He's not my kind of man, never.
She's the boss lady. Whatever she wants, she's gonna get it. She's the boss lady.
Greg!
She'll never stop until she has
Gregory!
She's the boss
Yes,
lady.
madam.
Whatever she wants, she's gonna get it. She's the boss lady. Our body's on fire. So beware of
Madam,
beautiful women.
I have been calling you Gregory. Madam, my name na Grigory, not Gregory.
Whatever.
Gregory?
There's something I want you to do for me.
Madam, what you make I do for you?
My feet. Massage my feet.
Ah. Madam, no. Madam, I get what I do for her side.
Gregory, I said, massage my feet. Can't you just help someone in need?
Madam.
She's a boss lady. Whatever she wants, she's gonna get it. She's the boss lady. She'll never stop until she has her way.
Madam,
Are you deaf?
Whatever she wants, she's gonna get it. She's the boss lady. Her body's on fire.
Go on. Two of them. I didn't say you should pinch me. I said massage my feet.
Okay, madam.
Oh, super nice. Oh. Come. Towards the side.
Madam. Now your feet, you say make I massage.
Bring your hand towards this area. Be coming towards the side. Bring your hands towards this area.
Hey, madam. Madam, but you say...
Bring your stinking hands towards this side, my friend. Massage. Come on, massage it gently. Ooh. Oh, my word. Your fingers are so soft. Has anyone told you that before?
Madam, I beg.
Go on. Just be coming. Be coming. Bring it closer. Closer. Oh gosh. It was my imagination. Hello, Chief.
Hello, honey. Where did you keep your phone?
I was in the bathroom, Chief.
Oh, well, information reaching me states that Leo hasn't been going to office since I traveled.
Are you kidding me?
The manager told me.
Wow. What could be his problem? But have you tried calling his line?
His number hasn't been going since morning.
My goodness. Alright, let me try his line from my end. Let's see if I can get him online.
But please do. I want to make sure he's fine because this is quite unlike him. That young man is hardworking and doesn't joke with his work.
So what do you suggest we do now?
Alright, I want you to go check up on him for me, please.
No! I told you. Chief, I can't leave my business now. It's not possible. Who will take care of my business for me?
That young man works for us. Did I remind you he's my personal assistant? I want to be sure everything is okay with him and his wife.
Alright, fine. I will check up on him when I'm less busy.
Okay, thank you. I sincerely do appreciate it. Please update me as quickly as possible.
Alright, Chief.
Bye. Love you.
Leo. I can't wait to see you, Leo. Gregory!
Madam, good morning.
Are you still washing the car?
Yes, madam. Madam, now the cars wey dey the compound, how they wash this morning?
All the whole cars. Now here they wash this morning. As if there are 30 cars here. Lazy idiot. You should be ashamed of yourself. All you know how to do in this house is eat, snore. That's it. Rubbish. Get out!
Sorry, madam.
The very moment Quincy, my wife, left me, she left with my life. I'm nothing. I'm useless. I'm just going to take my life once and for all.
Stop it, Leo, come on! What are you trying to do? Give
Stop
it!
for me. Just let me die.
What are you trying to do?
You Queen of Sheba, what have you not done to me? You have rendered my life useless. You have ruined my own life. No love, no wife, no child. What am I living for exactly?
Where is Quincy? Why are you saying no wife?
She left me. Quincy left me for her ex-boyfriend.
Ex-boyfriend? Oh, which means she was cheating on you as well. Under your nose, she was having an affair with her ex. And you were also cheating on her, right under her nose. All of us are sinners. Come. She is not worth dying for. I know what you want. I'm gonna make you happy. Turn around. He's already there. Let's go. You don't need to die. Come, come. I'll make you happy. Gosh, that was hot.
You're always doing this to me all the time.
Don't you like it? Tell me you didn't enjoy it.
Every bit of it.
I know. Look at the way I'm sweating. That was really hot.
Sweet.
And you wanted to take your life for what? For a cheating wife. Leo?
Yes, baby.
I have good news.
Good news. What's that?
I'm pregnant.
You're pregnant? For who?
For you.
Are you serious? So I'm
Because-
going to be a father.
Of course. You're happy. I'm glad you're happy.
I should be.
I was scared.
You're having my baby.
Well, here's what we're going to do.
Okay.
You know, as a married woman, I will just shift it to my husband. I'll claim he's a father.
No. I will not accept that. I'm a full-grown man and I will not let another man father my own blood.
No, listen. You shouldn't bother yourself about a thing. My husband is already old. Very close to his grave. When he dies, what's there? You can come take your child. But for now, please. So he will not find out. Please. I love you, Leo.
And I love you more. Thank you.
Leo, I have outsmarted him, of course. I'm certain what he planted in here is a baby boy. And after this, I'm gonna have another one. Of course. I want to have 4 solid boys for my husband. 1 isn't enough. Leo, you're indeed a small boy. Hello, baby girl.
Hello, baby. Where are you?
I'm at home.
Okay, I'm on my way to my house. Your house.
You are on your way to my house. Listen, I can't wait to see you. Please, hurry. I have a gist for you.
Okay.
Don't waste time. Ah, my nigga, you love gossip.
How can I allow another man play father figure to my blood? I couldn't get my wife pregnant, but here I am with the news of me impregnating my sugar mommy, staring me to my face. Leo, shame on you. Whoa. You left your own wife and you are sheeplessly sleeping with a woman old enough to be your mother. Now Quincy has run back to her ex who came back from America, Maid. I will never forgive myself for losing Quincy.
Baby, where did you go? You were trying to say something. You say about your sugar boy.
I was about telling you that his wife, Quincy, left him. And I have him all to myself.
Are you kidding me?
No, I'm not. You should know I'm too possessive.
Wow. Hey, baby Lahore.
Come on. Praise me.
Beautiful baby.
Call me beautiful.
Why, oh, why you do? Let's go there.
Where's that one coming from? Which means I deserve it.
You deserve it.
Beautiful.
So Miss Quincy left her handsome boo with the sauce for you?
The funniest part of it is she's not even aware I'm the one in the big picture. Now, it's time to celestiously devour Leo. Girl, did I tell you that I'm pregnant?
What? Obago.
Obago.
Hey?
I
hope you haven't told me about it.
No.
Are you sure?
I haven't.
You.
Yeah, take your drink, please.
You have to care about it. This is call for celebration, please.
Yes, you are right.
Leonard, I'm reliably informed that you've not been coming to office most frequently. Could you tell me the reason for absenting yourself for duties?
Chief, I've not been in my right frame of mind. I've been going through trauma lately.
I thought you told me that the domestic accident your wife had wasn't that serious.
Chief, I lost my wife.
What? Quincy is passed?
I didn't mean she's dead. She left me.
Quincy left you? How?
Chief, it's a long story.
Okay, please sit down and tell me all of it. I want to hear all of it. Sit down. Leo, what transpired?
Chief,
You know, I am like your father, Leonard. I want to know what happened, why you broke up with your wife.
Chief, her ex came back from abroad with a lot of money. She left me for him.
Not Quincy. Quincy cannot do that.
Chief, you don't know women. Women and money is like body and soul.
Not Quincy. Quincy is your wife, but I know her better than you think you know her.
Chief, how come you know her that much more than I do?
You will not understand.
I might, only if you tell me. Have you dated her in the past?
No. She once served here in this establishment.
Girlfriend. Wow, I can see you're really enjoying your late husband's wealth with your sugar bar.
Why not, if not? For men, they won't mourn us. They will remarry.
I know.
I can't remarry because of my children. I am still a beautiful and attractive woman. You can see, look up.
I know. Girlfriend, let's enjoy ourselves.
Imagine a man that could not even last in bed wanted to go and take his second wife. Wow.
At times I begin to imagine, what do men want? I mean, what do they really want? Who knows, my husband might be cheating on me, never can tell.
That gender.
Guess what? He might be, I'm not saying for sure, he might be cheating on me with a girl old enough to be our daughter. Which is why I'm doing what I'm doing now. Not regretting anything.
If Festus could desire Quincy as his second wife, what can men not do? That's the reason I have to take my pound of flesh. That girl will suffer.
She has suffered enough. Can't you see it? Funny enough, she left her marriage. I mean, it's crazy. The same husband that couldn't get her pregnant for 2 solid years.
Imagine.
Got me pregnant.
Oh, my friend.
What?
You're my friend indeed. I really love you. With all my heart.
I love you right back. Relax. We are in this revenge together. Yes. I promise.
Thank you, my friend.
Quincy is beautiful and intelligent. My late friend confided in me that he needed a beautiful, intelligent, and powerful woman such as Quincy to help run his company.
Chief, this friend of yours, do I know him?
No, you don't know him in person. He's passed now. But his wife, Monica, is my wife's best friend.
Was she aware of the man's intention to make Quincy his wife number 2?
Absolutely. I think something like that. You know, women have this way of, being nosy. She got to know a little of a truth. You are the wife of Quincy. What truly happened?
Chief, exactly what I told you.
Could you be the sharing of Oliver?
Chief. Yes. How did you know him? How come you know him?
I don't know him in person, but he was the reason she refused my late friend, the general manager, and several others.
The manager, Mr. Alfred, wanted her too?
On the affirmative. You're surprised, right? Well, from what I've gathered here, she has a fiancé who lived abroad. Well, the only thing I can tell you is that Quincy was my favorite star, though a couple of them. Still, I'm wondering why you could leave that angelic, inhuman slip of your palms.
She's a boss lady. Her body's on fire. So beware of beautiful women like this, oh. Cause when they catch you, you cannot escape. She will give you money, and she will take your soul. She will take your soul. And one day when you look back, you will see you've lost yourself. She is beautiful. Any man will fall for her. She is powerful. She be tempted.
Deborah, wake up. It's morning already. You're in bed. Wake up, it's morning. You're still in bed when the whole world is alive.
Good morning.
Good morning, honey.
Where have you been?
Oh, I've been in my study room working.
Working?
Yes.
Come on. You shouldn't be doing that to yourself. You need rest. Considering your age, you don't need all that.
Come on.
Come on, sweetheart. You have a manager. Why don't you hand him over some things while you relax?
You have been deceived with this white beard, right? I'm still young, fresh and green, very active. Or have you forgotten how I got jiggy with on you the other night?
Look at you. I'm still wondering where you got that strength from.
You sparked the flame, right? You touched me where you never touched me otherwise, so I have to give it to you for
You should be ashamed of yourself. Honestly, honey, on a serious note, you should take a chill pill, relax a bit. You don't have to overwork yourself, okay? I don't want to lose you. I don't want to become a widow. I know how it is for my friend. Is a widow. She's not finding it funny. So we want such to happen to you, so calm down.
Excuse me, what is it? Are you okay?
Yeah. I feel nausea.
Nausea? Oh, does it have to do with
Welcome.
Monica ailment?
No.
Just relax.
I feel I'm pregnant.
Excuse me. Like seriously? You're pregnant?
Yeah.
Oh, come on, relax. Wow! I mean, you need to see the family doctor for proper checkup. I think my second son is in the way. Oh, come on, you have given me the brightest news for the whole day. My day is better right now. This news is what, granting you a trip to me. Otherwise, you wanting to come to me. This is what I want to hear.
Babe, your food is ready.
I don't want any food. I mean, what's the food for when it's crystal clear that I'm dying?
The earlier you remove the thought of death from your mind, the better.
Quincy, the fact still remains that my kidneys are backing up. I can't bring myself to bear that.
You will not die, God forbid. Stop sulking.
I'm not eating. I don't want any food.
What is this now?
Quincy, what's the food for? What's the use for all this wealth when it's crystal clear that I won't even be here? See, Quincy, the reason why I am acquiring all this wealth and buying everything in your name is because I want you to have a better life even when I'm no longer here.
Nothing will happen to you. You're going to stay alive for me. I need you to believe that the doctor's report is not God's report for you. Honey, I need you to anchor your faith in God. Trust Him to come true for you.
I'm trying, but trust me, that's not been easy.
I know, okay? I need you to... Let's put our faith together. Let's believe God, that God will come through for us. All this is going to pass. It will.
I hope so.
Everything will be alright.
I seriously do not get it. You mean Oliver is dying?
Sis, I cannot come to terms with the fact that I am going to lose him.
God forbid. How is this even possible? That orphan boy that suffered hunger and starvation in campus is dying. No. This is not true.
But that's the situation of things now.
That guy practically saw himself through school. I can't believe he did all manner of jobs, including working on a building site just to pay his fees.
No, I mean, you told me all of this.
Oliver doesn't deserve this. My friend Oliver doesn't deserve what he's going through. If I have my way, I don't mind donating one of my kidney to him just for him to live. Just that my husband will not even hear me say it.
Wait, you're willing to donate one of your kidneys?
He needs just one to live. My dear sister, Oliver is your husband to be, right?
Yes.
You love him and doesn't want to lose him, right?
Of course I love him. Of course I love him. I do not want to lose him.
He once told me that he can take a bullet for you. Quincy, Oliver has done nothing but love you. He has acquired so much in your name. That is to prove his undying love for you. I think it's time to pay him back for his kind gesture. Time to test your love for him. Be his donor.
What?
Be his donor.
I can't. I mean, I can't live with one kidney. Sis, no. I can't do it. I can't. I can't watch him die. I can't. I'll do it. I'll do it.
Babe,
I
you
will.
okay? What's happening? Is this a goodbye kiss? My love, are you leaving me? Please don't. Even if you want to, I'd like you to be there when I breathe my last. Please.
You're not dying. You're not ever going to die. I am ready to be your donor.
What? Babe, are you being serious right now?
I cross my heart.
I hope you're not doing this under compulsion.
Hey, look at me. I love you. And I will always love you.
Thank you.
You don't have to thank me. I'm doing this for me. For us. Alright?
Thank you, Steve.
going to be here for me.
What are you doing here?
Where's my wife, Quincy?
Your wife? Leo, do you still have a wife?
Probably you might think I'm here to joke or something. You think I'm playing?
No one is joking with you.
Perpetual, you can't continue hiding my wife away from me. I need her to return back home. I miss her so much.
You want to know where your wife is, right? Fine. I will show you where your wife is. Here! In my nose, that is where your wife is.
And what's that supposed to mean? You think I'm here to joke with you?
And who is joking with you? No. Do I look like I'm joking with you? I am dead serious with you. Your wife is not here! By the way, I thought our father called you to come and collect your dowry. Why haven't you been here to collect it?
I see. So, is that the plan? You people want to marry my wife off to that American guy? Eh? That American returnee who doesn't even have anything.
You're not even updated. You're outdated. Because as it stands now, my sister is married. And they have both gone back to America. So do your worst.
Whatever his name is that took my wife away from me, he should prepare. Wherever I call him, he will answer me.
Leo, or whatever your name is, I need you to take your 2 left legs out of this compound.
Not until I see my wife. I'm here because of my wife.
I do not want to push you. And don't make me to push you. Get out. Leave. Fine. You don't want to go, right? I will leave you. Stay and search for your wife.
Hey, baby. You're back.
Yes.
So, what's the update?
We'll be leaving for India first thing tomorrow morning for a transplant.
Wow. So I need to start getting ready. I need to pack my bags and... I'll be right back.
I have never experienced this kind of love before. I mean, what could I have done without this woman? Where would I be without her? Babe, you just have to stop.
Stop?
Yes.
Stop and pack when?
We're not going to any India.
What? Why?
Babe, what I'm about to say now, I don't know how it will make you feel.
I don't understand. How do you mean?
The thing is that
You what? Can you quit stuttering and talk?
Yes.
Oh God. There we go again. Look, babe, we don't have all time. I still have a lot of things to pack.
It was all a prank.
A what? A prank?
I mean,
how?
I do not have any kidney problem. I'm sorry. You see, everything I did just to know if you really love me, like you said. Yes, I wanted to make sure you're not coming back to me because your marriage to Leonard failed.
Goodness. Oliver.
Yes.
Wait, you mean you went all out to put this stupid stunt with your own life?
I'm sorry. Please. I'm sorry.
Don't touch me. Don't! Gosh.
Babe!
She has every right to be mad at you.
But it was just a prank.
Did you just say a prank?
No, tell me.
I'm sorry.
Where in the world did you get that crazy idea from? Because you went to the extreme. There's some certain things you shouldn't play with.
Babe, I'm sorry. Please, forgive me. Please, my love.
Don't touch me! Don't!
Jesus. Why did I even do this in the first place? Why?
Sis, please, say he's sorry. Forgive him.
Sis, don't say that. You don't know what this guy has put me through. Like, I've had it up to here. Do you know what I went through? The starvation, the sleepless nights, the tears, everything. And now he's coming here to say it's a prank.
I really am sorry. Okay, I understand that I might have been insensitive. Well, I'm sorry, okay? All I did was just to make sure you're the right one for me after everything that's happened. Please.
Sis, did you hear that? Oliver, can you hear yourself talk? Like you sound really stupid. That I'm to know if I'm the right one for you. So why then did you come back? Why did you look for another woman?
Oh, no. Forgive me, okay? I just wanted to make sure you're the right one for me, that you still love me the same way I've always loved you. Please.
I hope you've gotten what you wanted. I hope you have.
Oliver, please, I beg you in the name of God, don't ever put a woman in this position again. I know all that she went through. Please, it's okay. Please, let it go. Please, I beg you.
Please, please. I'm sorry. Forgive me. Please.
Please don't ever do this again. Don't ever do this to me.
I promise.
It's alright, I forgive you.
Thank you.
Love birds.
Thank you so much, baby. Thank you. Sit down. I've got something here. So, once again, thank you for forgiving me. Okay. So the travel documents I came back with earlier today, those are the documents. Yes, you'll be traveling back with me to the States after our traditional marriage rites next week.
Babe?
Yes.
Are you serious?
Very serious.
My friend, look at you. So it's true you're pregnant?
As you can see.
Has the scan confirmed the sex of the baby?
That's the reason I invited you over.
Then tell me about it.
If I tell you this, you won't believe it.
Just talk. Just talk.
It's a baby boy.
Wow! Congratulations!
Thank you.
Wow, I'm happy for you.
Thank
Wow.
you.
So, how is Chief taking the good news?
Well, he's basking in the euphoria of joy.
Wow. That's nice. What about your sugar boy? I hope you'll stop sleeping with him.
Why should I? Come on now, we still sleep like crazy.
But so, Deborah, I don't understand you. Why are you so insensitive? How can you be sleeping with him? Being pregnant? Eh? Are you using jazz on this guy?
You are the one talking like an insensitive person here. Haven't you been pregnant before? What is all this? I mean, he's the father of this child. We need it more than ever now, at least to help me during the day of delivery. Come on.
Debbie.
What?
Well, I'm happy for you.
I got you there, right? The story of a free and distant black man. 3 of them were all in the quest to know what the true elephant tusk was all about. The first one got to the elephant's head and touched it and said, Erica, I found it. That's the true tusk of elephant.
That was a total confusion.
Or should we say, free Confucianist from his distance.
Chief.
Yes.
You haven't told me why you're in a happy mood today. What are we celebrating? Or is your birthday?
Oh no, far from that. I'm just overwhelmed with joy, right? You know, scan has confirmed that my wife is pregnant with a male child.
Wow, Chief. Congratulations.
Oh, thank you.
I'm happy for you.
Rico, celebrate with me.
Chief.
Yes.
I thought that you were done with child bearing.
Oh, yes. But you see, this came in as a surprise. Should I say as a blessing, you know? It came in like mistake. But somehow I even like the mistake of such magnitude, you know? All right, you know, at first I was somehow struck with mixed feeling when I heard about the pregnancy. You know, affirmatively, I was telling my wife we're going to do DNC if it turns out to be a baby girl. But somehow, you know, God, the Almighty God, have a way of settling things right. He said to me, Anthony, chill, I'm about to give you a baby boy. My last baby is 15, you know that?
Wow. So, Chief, apparently, she is going to be 15 years older than the one that is coming.
Don't say that again.
Just your...
Drink on, my boy. Celebrate with me. If this is done, we can go to the Billionaire and ask them to bring more. We can go to Mamson's, you know, anyone, any brand, we'll down it.
Chief, I know your capacity.
Are you trust me? In the spirit of the 3 Hindustan black men. I told you that I am not that kind of person. I'm strong.
Chief!
Huh? It's okay, it's okay.
You're back so soon.
Yes,
Just take it easy.
I have some arrangements. The files. Where are the files? I need to append my signatures.
What happened to him?
I brought him home. He got himself drunk out of excitement that you are carrying his baby boy in your womb. Let go of me.
Why? Come on, I was thinking now that you're here and he's like this, we'll just go upstairs and have a quick one.
Go upstairs and have a quick one. Chief is here, right in front of us. That's very risky and disrespectful for me. I can't do that.
I didn't say here. I just said let's go up. So it can't be in front of him. Besides, he is drunk and he's snoring. He will notice. You know, I was thinking of coming to your house this evening to come see you, but I'm glad you're here now and he's drunk. So let's do it.
How about the money you promised me?
Come on, Leo. Money can never be an issue here, you know that. Hey, I am willing to do anything for you. I'm even ready to close down my own line. I'll buy a business just for your sake. You see? And Leo, that was too hard.
Were you trying to remove the baby? Come on, why are you acting like this? I already told you this baby is yours.
How do you think I would feel? Another man is celebrating my own baby and you expect me to be happy about it?
Just let it be. Doesn't matter, let him celebrate. Let him get himself drunk to stupor. It doesn't make any sense. The truth remains the truth that this child is yours. Let him be.
Please, the money. Can you just transfer the money so I can get my ass out of this place?
So it's all about the money.
What else?
Done.
Received with thanks.
I wonder what is eating him up.
She is beautiful. Any man will fall for her. She is powerful. She be temptation. She carry her swagger. Hey. She get money, plenty money. Oh. You cannot escape from her grasp. Oh, she's a boss lady. Whatever she wants, she's gonna get it. She's the boss lady. She'll never stop until she has her way. She's the boss lady. Whatever she wants, she's gonna get it. She's the boss lady. Her body's on fire. She's the boss lady. Whatever she wants, she's gonna get it. She's the boss lady. She'll never stop until she has her way. She's the boss lady. Whatever she wants, she's gonna get it. She's the boss lady. Her body's on fire.
Ah, Milako. Big boy. Oh, Milako, you're so big now.
Uncle, I like your watch.
You do?
Yes.
Okay, would you like to have it?
Yes.
I will give it to you. You know I love you so much and I will do anything for you. Okay? Uncle will do anything for you. Oh, you're a big boy now, so you're going to be wearing an Apple wristwatch.
Uncle, thank you.
You're welcome.
Uncle, do you have a son? Uncle, you have not answered my question.
Miracle, yes, I do have a son, but he's with his mommy.
I want to see him. I want to play with him.
Okay, that's it, Mimi. That's it. Let's go. You need to go to your room now, okay?
I want to stay with Uncle.
Okay, if you must stay, then no questions. All right? No questions.
So you have to go inside, right? You have a lot of time to be with your uncle. Oh,
all right.
You come with the fire?
Chief, the fire is right inside the car.
Right inside the car. Okay, let's go inside and have some cups of coffee and then we'll quickly go to office.
Okay, Chief.
Well, how about that? What's her name? Quincy. His S.
How will I know? I mean, he doesn't even talk about Quincy. So, doesn't talk about his ex to me.
Well, I heard a rumor. I'm yet to confirm it. That she remarried. What was her name again? Quincy or what? That she married and traveled to America with her ex. Something like that.
What? Hold on. Are you sure about this information? Oh my goodness. Oh God.
I mean, I'm regretting it.
After what Chief told me about Quincy and your late husband.
What did Chief say?
He told me that Quincy bluntly refused having anything to do with late Chief Festus.
And you're believing men? I know very well that Quincy girl slept with my husband countless times. That's why I have to cajole you into having an affair with Leo. Man.
I blame myself. I regret everything, like I said earlier, honestly speaking. And you did that out of jealousy to get back at an innocent person who never did anything to you. And I foolishly obeyed you out of false information. I stood so low in listening to you and I regret it, gosh. I hate everything I did. I can't even forgive myself for listening to you.
Whatever. I don't care.
Mommy, is Uncle Leo my dad?
What? Where did you get that from? Come on, will you close your mouth?
But I heard you and Auntie Monica talking about him.
So this is all you do? You go and be listening to our conversations. What's all this? That's not how I raised you. Don't you ever try it again. Uncle Leo is not your dad. He's your dad's staff. Have I made myself clear?
Yes.
Beautiful. Don't you ever say this to anyone. Okay?
Okay.
Go to you. Oh God. I can't believe this is happening. I need to stop my illicit affair with Leo before it escalates and ruins my marriage. I can't believe Monica made me do all this. Look at me. Once a good wife and mother suddenly turned to someone my family cannot be proud of. What do I do when this gets out? What? I just have to stop.
Oh yeah, oh na na, oh yeah. She's a boss lady. Whatever she wants, she's gonna get it. She's the boss lady. She'll never stop until she has her way. She's the boss lady. Whatever she wants, she's gonna.
How dare you barging on me like that?
Am I the one you're talking to in that manner?
Of course, I am talking to you, Leonard. It is only you and I that is in this room. Don't forget, I am your boss's wife. So show some respect.
I don't understand. What is it with my boss's wife? What are you talking about?
What are you here for?
Good question. Miracle has gone to school, so I'm here so that we can have fun.
Now you better get your hands off me. Enough. Go downstairs and stay there. I'll be with you shortly. Because we have a lot to talk about.
Baby, let's have a wiki, then we can talk about it.
Hey! Now you get your hands off me. Go downstairs. I'll be with you shortly.
Baby, let's do this thing now, then we can...
I don't want to hit you. Go.
This is serious. Fine. I'll be downstairs waiting. What is it they said they want us to talk about? I'm all ears, spill it.
I want us to stop. I want us to stop seeing each other.
You want us to stop seeing each other? What have I done? You want us to stop? I can't believe this is coming from you. After all that we shared together. You want us to end the sweet bond that we shared.
You said it all. Exactly.
This is not happening. I can't bear it. You're too sweet for me to lose. I can't believe you're the one saying this with your mouth. You can't do this to me.
Are you done? Now listen. I'm going to say this to you once and for all. I am telling you to your face that it's over and my husband is not even aware that I'm cheating on him with his PA. Gosh, I regret everything. Leo, I'm sorry, but it has to stop.
Oh, really? So you do have a conscience, actually. I can't believe that you're saying this. I can't believe that this thing is happening. After all the pains that have caused me. Is it my wife, Quincy, that I lost to her ex? And now you're looking me in the face, telling me that our affair has to come to an end without even thinking how I feel about it. Where is your conscience? What will happen to me? Where do I go from here? I have no wife. I have no marriage. As a matter of fact, I may divorcee Deborah.
It has to stop, please. I'm sorry you are going through all this, but it has to stop. I know I have done the unspeakable, which is why I said let it stop. I am ashamed of myself. Cheating on my husband. Day in, day out. I'm tired. I don't want it anymore.
Your actions have cost me so much. It has ridiculed me. It has made me something for everybody to mock. Even in the village. I've lost my marriage. Everything that I hold dear to is gone. All because of my affections to you, and now you're telling me that you want us to quit without having a conscience. You are indeed heartless.
Leave my house.
I will leave. But I want to tell you one thing. When a child spits in the air, it falls back at him and thereby defiles his face.
Get out.
She's a boss lady. Whatever she wants, she's gonna get it. She's the boss lady. She'll never stop until she has her way. She's the boss lady. Whatever she wants, she's gonna get it. She's the boss lady. Her body's on fire. Her burning desire is unquenchable. Her eyes like fire, ready to devour. She is a lady on a mission. She's gonna get.
All hell broke loose when I told her in plain language that I didn't want to cheat on my wife with my boss's wife. There was nothing I did not say to make her see reasons with me why we shouldn't indulge in extramarital affair. But Deborah was past caring. Now she wants to break up with me after destroying my own marriage, getting what she wants. I should have known she only wanted to use me for her own selfish gain. Baby. Why the long face? Why don't we go inside and relax and have some fun? I've missed our affection.
Are you alright? Can you let go of my hand? I haven't come here for that kind of relaxation. If I'm looking for a place to relax, I think I have a better place, which is my house.
If you're not here for me, so what are you here for then?
I have come to tell you that I have given my life to Christ. I told you something like this 2 weeks ago, right? And I'm here to remind you of that. Let's stop seeing each other henceforth.
You have given your life to Christ. You are not born again after ruining my own life. I have no life in me anymore. I died the very moment Quincy, my wife, left my life, my marriage.
Leo, I am guilty, that I know. I know I'm the reason for your breakup. That I know. I'm sorry. Please. I know that your Quincy left you, went back to her ex, and they left the country and now living happily in America. It's all my fault. Please. I'm sorry. That's the reason I have come to tell you we need to give our lives to Christ. We need to stop all this. I can't do this anymore. I can't be with you anymore. It wasn't my fault. It was my friend's fault. She lured me into this. My friend Monica.
Monica? Who is Monica?
Late Chief Festus' wife. She made me do all this. She pushed me into this, telling me that your wife, Quincy, dated her late husband, slept with him, even wanted to marry him.
You mean that Monica is the one trying to destroy my marriage? In fact, she destroyed it already. Monica. Even when my wife, Quincy, is innocent, she never slept with Chief Festus.
Oh, you know about it?
Yes, I do. Chief once mentioned it in his office the last time we were having a conversation about a company stock. She never slept with Chief Festus. She's innocent.
Yes, she lured me into this, making me believe your wife slept with her husband. Later did I know that your wife was innocent. But Monica is really suffering now. She's dying. Monica has HIV and AIDS. And I do not want to die.
What?
Yes. That's the reason I gave my life to Christ, and I'm begging, please forgive and forget. Let's not see each other again, please.
Deborah, I've heard everything that you have said.
Thank you.
But I have my conditions. It's either you give me 50 million naira or you let me have my son, Miracle. And I promise I will not let anybody know about it. It will be a secret between you and I. I promise I will live with him, maybe outside the country, where nobody will see us or know anything about it.
50 million what? Why do you want me to get that kind of money? And the last thing I will do is to allow you take my son.
He's my son.
Never. That's my husband's son.
Lady Deborah, you're welcome.
Thank you, Father.
You don't seem fine to me. Are you okay? Is everything okay?
Father.
Yes.
I have sinned against God and my husband. I'm not sure God can forgive me.
Don't say that. No matter what you must have done, no matter the gravity of your sin, God will always forgive you. Once you confess your sins and turn a new leaf and never go back to that sin, why not? God will forgive all your sins and never to remember it again. Yes. Sure.
Even the sin of adultery.
What? Did you commit adultery?
Yes. Yes.
With who?
I have been sleeping with my husband's PA, Leo.
Holy Mary, Mother of God. Lady Deborah?
I lured him into it. At first he never wanted, but I threatened him. I told him that I was going to frame him up with rape if he doesn't sleep with me. And that I would make sure my husband sacks him and lock him up in jail for life. He obliged. But I am tired. I don't want to sin again. Now he's threatening me. Father, my last child, Miracle, is from my lover, Leo.
Lord of God.
Not my husband.
Lady Deborah?
Now Leo is threatening to take my son away from me. Or I pay him the sum of 50 million naira. Where do I get that from? My friend lured me into this.
Who is this, your friend?
Monica.
Lady Monica?
She pushed me into doing all this.
Jesus Christ.
Help me out, Mother, please. Help me, please.
Both of you are supposed to be ladies of the night of St. Augustine Catholic Church. What happened to both of you? Does your husband know about this?
No.
I think we need to tell him. Yes.
No, Father. No. No, please, I'm begging. Please don't let him know. Please.
How do you intend to hide this from him forever? He's your husband. In holy matrimony, you became one. You can't possibly hide it from him because eventually he will find out. And when he finds out, it will be worse than it is now. So the best thing is for us to find a way to tell him, no matter how it hurts, but we have to.
Please.
See, I know this is confession, but this is not like the usual confession. Please, we need to tell him. For your own good. Please. But really, you disappoint me. You really disappointed me. Both of you, Lady Monica and yourself. But all the same, God is a merciful God. Oh yes. Like I told you earlier, no matter the gravity of your sin, He will forgive you. And as long as you have decided never to go back to it again,
yes,
never. He has forgiven you. Give me a hand. Let's pray. Come on, go ahead.
Deborah. Deborah, what is it? What's the problem? Why are you so gloomy?
Nothing.
Nothing? You can sit here all by yourself and pretend that all is well. Deborah, you cannot be fine. You are in a strange look. Where do you think you're going? What is happening? Why is my wife acting strange?
How do I tell him what I have been up to in this house? If I had known a day like this would eventually come, I wouldn't have done all the things I did with Leo.
Deborah, why are you so heartbroken? What happened?
Chief, nothing.
Nothing? You can't just call it to yourself, and pretend that nothing is happening. You're my wife. I should know what is right and what is wrong. Oh, okay. Is it all about Monica's ailment?
No, Chief, no.
I know. It's all about your business, your online business. I know. See, business is like a wave. It keeps moving up and moving down. We have been there, done that for decades, so we understand the procedure.
Chief, please. I just want to be left alone. I want to clear my head, please.
So I should let you be sock all by yourself?
Chief, please.
Okay. You need to be left alone. Let me use the bathroom. Okay. Father, you sent for me.
Yes, Chief Anthony. First and foremost, I must say thank you for honoring my invitation.
Oh, anything from my parish priest.
You know, Chief, you're one man that I respect so much since I came to this parish. That's because you have gained my respect by respecting me. Yes, and I want to thank you for being an honorable man.
Father, I've always told you, if there's anything you need for the parish to run smoothly, let me know on time. Do not hesitate.
Thank you so much. And thank you once again for leaving your busy schedule just to deal with me, just to answer my invitation. Thank you so much. Good. Chief Anthony, please. I crave your indulgence to please take whatever I'm going to say now with all maturity and with faith. Don't let it bother you, just take it with faith. I beg you.
Father, I hope all is well. Does it have to do with the parish?
No. Far from that. Okay. Chief, I'm sorry to announce to you that your wife, has been cheating with your PA.
What?
And Miracle is the product of that illicit affair.
What did you just say, Father? You mean Leonard has been having an affair with my wife under my roof? Ha! No.
Please calm down.
No, don't tell me to calm down, Father. Whatever that boy has done to my wife, I'll make sure that we pay through his nose. Whoever his name is and whoever he is, I will make sure that I'll kill him for even having the guts to talk to my wife in that close range.
Listen, Chief, your wife is at the center of it all. Oh yes.
What?
Yes. Your wife, Deborah, threatened the young man that she's going to accuse him of rape if he refuses to sleep with her. She's going to make sure that you, the husband, puts him across the bar, jail him for life for rape. And the young man had no choice then. I wouldn't say he had no choice. The young man, out of fear, crept in to her demand. That is just that.
Father, I mean, I'm still wondering what Deborah could be doing with someone who is old enough to be her son. What do I do to Deborah to deserve this? I've been satisfying her sexually. Not to talk of how we've been living in peace. I have 5 children with her that are all living abroad and doing well. What is there that is making Deborah to behave like some kind of nymphomaniac? I've given her everything she needs at just the tip of the finger. All the mundane things that she has always wanted. I don't even hesitate. When she just mentioned, I do it. At what point has Deborah got to go with just my personal assistant?
You know, the point now is that Leo is demanding, or rather seeking for peace settlement. It's either 50 million naira or he takes Miracle, who is supposed to be his son.
This is quite preposterous.
I'm confused at this juncture.
What did I do to Deborah to deserve this, Father?
Chief, I'm sorry, but you have to take it easy.
So Deborah is pushing a child she got from her nocturnal act on me.
It's really awful.
How is this happening?
Chief,
This is disheartening.
I know, very disheartening, I know, but she only came to confess to me, but I deemed it right to tell you because You are like family to me.
Father.
You're my good friend. I can't even hide it from you.
Save your breath, Father.
Please take it easy because of your health.
I know what to do.
Please, calm down.
Father, thank you.
Maybe you love the cartoon so much. Hey.
Daddy.
Oh, miracle.
You're welcome.
Oh, welcome. Alright, watch your TV. I'm here. So, now we leave from what I was bothering before now. So what's that all about?
Where is she?
That's what I can do.
Where's Dara, daughter? You, I'm here for my son.
Prostitute! How dare you bite into my room and call my wife adulterer? Are you sick in the head?
Chief. Deborah, your wife gave birth for me.
So in all of this, you're not saying anything. Is that it?
Miracle here is my child. As a matter of fact, I was even the one that gave him the name Miracle.
I will ruin you and ruin the entire family. Now get out of my house right now. Get out!
Chief, listen to me. I respect you so much, but at this juncture, I'm not going to take it. I don't care who you wants to call, but Miracle here is my child.
Hello, DPO, please. There's an emergency in my house. Just bring your boys here.
Stay away!
Get out! Out of my house this moment. I don't want to take laws in my hands. Now get out!
Chief, it's not over yet. I'll be back for my son, Miracle.
What was that? Deborah, I'm asking you, what was that?
Please help me.
Father, please, can you just proceed and read this thing so that I can get out of this place with my son?
Chief.
Yes, Father.
There is hope.
Oh, Father, I just want to know if Miracle is truly my son or not. That's what I want to hear.
Well, judging from the test result I have in my hand here, he's your biological son.
What? I'll stop at nothing but to prove to the whole world that it's my semen that baited Miracle.
Mr. Leonard, you are supposed to accept your fate and go to God Almighty and ask for forgiveness, not to ranting and dragging this further.
Father, you think that I'm ranting? Deborah, you just shot yourself in the leg without even knowing it. I'll make sure I take your name to Okida Shrine. If I don't do that, Father, if you don't die for the pain you have caused me, know that I'm not Leonard. Chukukere.
Leonard, he that must appear before equity must appear with clear hands.
Father, please, I do not want to disrespect you, but I beg you in the name of whatever that you hold dear, stay out of this. And as for the demon that you call your friend, she's already paying for the pain that she caused me. She's battling with HIV and AIDS now.
What? HIV and AIDS? Deborah, does Monica have HIV and AIDS? Answer me! Does Monica have HIV and AIDS? Pick my move. Hello? Benita, how are you crying? I hope all is well. What? When? Ah. What a great loss.
Chief, what is it?
Monica has just passed.
How?
Oh. Gracious God. Oh no. She made me do all this. And now she's dead.
Could this be karma at play? I have destroyed my own marriage with my own hands. Monica has finished me completely. Sex enhancement tablets have ruined my marriage. What becomes of me now? What? What do I tell my children? What do I tell my people? That I destroyed my marriage through infidelity? Ha! I'm not even proud of what I did. God, truly, karma is real. Whatever a man soweth, that he shall reap.
Chief, please, I am begging you again, temper justice with mercy. I beg of you, please.
Father, I need my space. I need my sanity.
Oh, Chief. Chief, please. I am begging you again. Don't allow her to go, please. You're a knight in the church, which means you're a special person in the church. A lot is expected of you. To err is human, and to forgive is divine. She has erred. Please forgive her. I beg you. If not for anything, for the sake of your children, don't let her go. Please, have a rethink, Chief. Please. Remember, if you kill someone out of anger, you bear it because of despair. Saint Anthony was a good man, and you are a good man. Remember, you are representing Saint Anthony. That is why the church gave you the name Anthony. Please, for the sake of our Lord Jesus Christ, who died on the cross of Calvary for you and I, for our sins, graver than hers, please, please, I am begging you. It's not late yet. We can bring her back. You will not know the weight of what has happened today until tomorrow. Have everything, Chief. When you beat a child with your right hand, you pull her back with the left hand. Please. You're a man, I know it's not easy. But please, I am begging. Have everything. Have everything. Have everything. You are a man. Consider for so many reasons. Consider this because of so many reasons. The future of your children.
Chief.
Oh yeah, oh na na, oh yeah. She's a boss lady. Whatever she wants, she's gonna get it. She's the boss lady. She'll never stop until she has her way. She's the boss lady. Whatever she wants, she's gonna get it. She's the boss lady. Her body's on fire. Her burning desire is unquenchable. Her eyes like fire, ready to devour. She is a lady on a mission. She's gonna get whatever that she wants. She is beautiful. Any man will fall for her. She is powerful. She be temptation. She carry her swagger. Hey. She get money, plenty money. Oh. You cannot escape from her grasp. Oh, she's a boss lady. Whatever she wants, she's gonna get it. She's the boss lady. She'll never stop until she has her way. She's the boss lady. Whatever she wants, she's gonna get it. She's the boss lady. Her body's on fire. So beware of beautiful women like this, oh. Cause when they catch you, you cannot escape. She will give you money, and she will take your soul.